Good afternoon. Good afternoon. You're welcome to my channel, but it's a B in English with belief. So please guys, try to like my video, share my videos, and today we'll be doing lesson on the classification of the vehicles. So the last lesson I did was how to use the carburetor and the lens. So we have already done lesson on this very early. We have already done with this very lesson. So our next lesson today is classification of the vehicle. So the classification of the vehicles. Classification of the vehicle. So the classification of the vehicles. So let's go there. The classification of the vehicles. Classification of the vehicles. So let's go there. Classification of the vehicle. So this is what they are trying to say. Classification of the vehicle. So vehicle privi di motore. So please guys, when they said privi mean without, di motore mean engine. So when they say vehicle privi di motore, which means vehicles without an engine. And for example, vehicle abbraccia, so vehicle that is pulled by someone arm. So just like this manner, this truck when they push, this is not a vehicle that is pushed by someone arm. So spinta or trainante da un uomo a piedi. So it can be pulled or towed by a man with leg. So now we say the talk. So this vehicle abbraccia is pulled by someone arm, just like the truck. Then so this very truck, they have vehicles. So they have vehicle that is being pulled by someone, and they call them. That is why they call them vehicle abbraccia. Then the next one, veicoli a trazione animale. So vehicles that animals are towing, as you can see this picture, animals are towing this veicolo a trazione animale. Veicolo trainante da uno o più animale. So vehicle that is being towed by one or more animals. That is what they call veicolo a trazione animale. So vehicles that are towed by animals. Then the next one, velocipiedi, this bicycle, velocipiedi. So as you can see, this bicycle have 3 tires. Velocipiedi, and it has about 4 pedals, if I'm not mistaken. This very lady here and the other person, they are all pedaling. Con due o più ruote, it has 2 or more tires. Azionanti per mezzo di pedali, so they are action with both pedals. So these are velocipiedi, bicycles, just bicycles. So let's enter the lesson. Main lesson. Ciclomotore e quadriciclo leggere. So when they said ciclomotore are small motorbike. So small motorbike are called ciclomotore, and the reason why they call them small motorbike, we do the lesson on them and know the reason why they call them ciclomotore, which is small motorbike. And quadriciclo leggere, and there is a light quad. So quadriciclo leggere mean quad. So just like, for example, this very one, this is what we call quadriciclo leggere. This one is quadriciclo leggere, and at the end of the circulation, this quadriciclo leggere is defined also as ciclomotore, small okada, small motorbike. So I will be doing the lesson, and so that we can get the more understanding about how we can know that this very quadriciclo leggere is small okada, small motorbike. So let's do the lesson so that we can get more understanding. So ciclomotore e quadriciclo leggere. So the small motorbike and the small quad. So veicolo caratterizzati da 2 or 3 ruote. So this ciclomotore, they are vehicles that is categorized of 2 or 3 tires. They have categorized of 2 or 3 tires. Motoro termico. So when they said motoro termico, it means a heat engine, mechanical engine. So that is the meaning of motore termico. con cilindrata fino a 50 centimeter cubo. So, and this ciclomotori, they have cylinder of up to 15 centimeter. So, this ciclomotori have cylinder of up to 50 centimeter. Velocità massimo non superiore a 45 km all'ora. So, and their velocity, their maximum velocity is not above more than 45 km per hour. So, when you hear the word superiore, superiore means above. It's not above. Non, which means it's not above. Non superiore, not above. So, their velocity is not above 45 km per hour. Then sono equiparati a ciclomotori i quadricicli leggeri a motore. So they are equal to ciclomotori i quadricicli leggeri a motore. So this small quad, this very small quad that you are seeing here, the first picture. So they are small motorbike. They are small motorbike, and their name is quadricicli leggeri. Quadricicli leggeri. So quadricicli leggeri just because they are light quad. So for that very reason, they are equivalent to ciclomotori, small motorbike. So the reason is that their cylinder is up to 50 centimeter as well, and their maximum velocity is up to 45 km per hour. So that is at the end of the circulation, they are also called small motorbike. Then ossia, veicolo quattro ruote, or they have 4 tires as well. They are vehicles with 4 tires as well. Massa a vuoto fino a 425 kg. So their maximum weight, massa a vuoto, so their maximum weight, if it is empty, it's at least 425 kg. Velocità fino a 45 km all'ora. So, and their maximum velocity is at the end is up to 45 km per hour. Their maximum velocity. And motore a scorpio. So, and their combustion engine, motore a scorpio mean combustion engine, which is they produce heat, their engine. Con cilindrata fino a 50 centimeter cubo. So, and their cylinder as well, they have their cylinder as well is up to 50 centimeter cube. Oppure altri tipi di motori or other types of engine like diesel engine or electrical. They have other types of engine like diesel engine or electric engine as well. Con potenza maximo, so with the maximum power non superiore a 6 kilowatts. So with their maximum power not above 6 kilowatts. Their maximum power is not above 6 kilowatts. So these are quadricicli leggeri. Quadricicli leggeri, the small quad. So now i ciclomotori, so I'm at the down here now. I ciclomotori sono soggetti a revisione. So this small Okada, the small motorbike, they are subjected to shake-up. Revisione means shake-up. Soggetted a revisione. Soggetted means subjected. A revisione, they are subjected to revision. Revision means shake-up. Okay. So let's see how it functions, how they used to do the shake-up on this very ciclomotori. So, dopo 4 anni, so after 4 years della prima immatricolazione. So after 4 years of registration, just like, if you buy, for example, you buy a vehicle, or for example, let's just use this ciclomotor, small motorbike for the example, just because of the lesson. So just for example, you buy this motorbike now, you will do the revision on this very motorbike. So the revision is the shake-up. So after you have done with the registration of this very motorbike, before the revision, which is a shake-up, you will do the shake-up 4 years. So you buy a new bike, you will do the registration, then you will do the shake-up of the motorbike for 4 years. After 4 years, you do the revision. So sorry, let me just break it down. So you buy this motorbike. As you buy it, you will do the registration. So after the registration, you will do the checkup after 4 years, because you know it's a new motorbike. So after 4 years, you will do the checkup of the engine to check everywhere of the motorbike to know if it is still in good condition. That is why they do the revision. So after 4 years, you will do the revision. Then successivamente ogni 2 anni. Then successivamente means subsequently after that 4 years, then you will start be doing it again every 2 years. Ogni 2 anni. So after that 4 years, then you will not continue again every 2 years. Later, after the 4 years, then you will not continue every 2 years now. Le bicicletta con pedalata assista. So bicycles with pedals. Bicycle with pedal. Dotate di motore elettrico. So bicycle with pedals that are equipped with electric motors, with electric engine. Ausiliaro non sono definiti ciclomotore. So just because they have an electric engine, that does not make them small motorbike. No, that non sono definiti ciclomotore. So not just because they have an electric engine, that does not make them small motorbike. So they have to know their classification. This is what they are trying to say. So let's take the picture. So the first picture now. Ciclomotore a 3 ruote. So this small motorbike with 3 tires. Ciclomotore a 3 ruote, small motorbike with 3 tires. Con velocità massimo di 45 km/h. So with the maximum velocity of 45 km/h. Then quadricycle leggere. So this one is the quadricycle leggere. This car here is the quadricycle leggere. Quadricycle leggere means light. A quad, a small quad, light quad. So this small motor is referred to as Okada, which is motorbike. This very car that you are seeing here is motorbike. It's classified as motorbike. This very car that has 4 tires now. Because it is called quadricycle leggere, which is a light vehicle. Is a light vehicle. Con 4 ruote with 4 tires. A potenza maximo di 6 kilowatts. So with the power up to 6 kilowatts, the power of the engine is up to 6 kilowatts of this very quadricycle leggere, the light vehicle here, this one. Then ciclomotore, so this small motorbike, prima revisione. So the first revision, the first checkup, dopo 4 anni, after 4 years. After 4 years is when they will do the revision, the checkup, after 4 years. E poi successivamente ogni 2 anni. So the first checkup you must do according to the law after you buy the Okada. If you have finished doing the matriculation, which is the registration, after 4 years you will do the checkup on the motorbike. Then later you will continue again after 2 years. You continue again every 2 years. This is what they are trying to say. Then so in a summary of the lesson now, because I just finished. In summary of the lesson now, this ciclomotore, it has 2 or 3 tires. It has 2 or 3 tires, and they have motore termico. They have a heat engine with cylinder up to 50 centimeter, and their maximum velocity is not above 45 km/h. Then quadricycle leggere. So quadricycle leggere, they are also classified as ciclomotore, small Okada, just because of their velocity, their cylinder. Their cylinder is up to 15 centimeter as well, and their maximum velocity is 45 km/h as well. And they have a motore Scorpio, which is a combustion engine, a heat engine. They have other types of engine. A3TP di motore, they have other types of engine, which is diesel engine or electric engine. And their potenza maximum and their maximum weight is not above 6 kilowatts. Their maximum weight is not above 6 kilowatts. So it's the same thing as the ciclomotore, which is the small Okada, which is a small motorbike. So this very car here, this one is the one that I'm saying now. This very car, this is Ciclo-Motore. This one is Ciclo-Motore with 3 tires, because Ciclo-Motore have 2 tires and 3 tires. So this one is Ciclo-Motore. Then this one is the Quadriciclo Leggere, the light vehicle. This one is the light vehicle. So at the end of this circulation, this light vehicle is also equivalent to this small motorbike as well, because they are of the same classification. So, and they are subjected to a revision, which is check-up after the first, after the registration, which is a matriculation. Then after 4 years, they will do check-up on every part of the vehicle. Then later they will continue the check-up every 2 years. So that is all for Ciclo-Motore, which is the small motorbike. So what I will do now, I will go and take a question and answer on this very small motorbike, so that we get I don't know if it is finished. Let me check if it is finished. If there's another one at the top. No, this one, okay. So it is finished. This one is the big motorbike. So the next lesson is a big motorbike, which is moto vehicle, which is motociclo, the motor vehicle. So the motociclo, big motorbike. We have done with the small motorbike. So let's go and do question and answer on small motorbike, so that we understand before we continue, because it's very, very important for the understanding before the continuation. You cannot just be rushing without understanding. So now the classification of the vehicle is Ciclo-Motore, the classification of vehicles, which is Ciclo-Motore, the small motorbike. So let's do the question and answer on them. We have already done with the lesson. So number 1 question: is Ciclo-Motore non sono soggetti a revisione periodica? So you see the number 1 question. He said this small motorbike, they are not subjected to revision periodically. No, it's false. It's false, because they are subjected to a revision. They are subjected to revision periodically. Yes, they are subjected, because what we just learned on the lesson was that after the registration, if you buy the small motorbike, after the registration, you will do, after 4 years, you will do the check-up, which is the revision after 4 years. Then later you will continue the revision every 2 years. This is what they said. But this question is saying they are not non sono soggetti a revisione, so it's false. They are subjected to revision. So number 2, i ciclomotori per essere definiti tali devono essere muniti di cambio manuale. So this number 2 question said this small motorbike, i ciclomotori, this small motorbike per essere definiti in tali, to define them. So to define them as such, devono essere muniti di cambio manuale. So to define the small motorbike, so they must be equipped with a manual. They must have manual engine, a manual jar, manual. It must be manual. No. It said it must be manual. No. It's false. That to define them, that is not the way to define the ciclomotori, the small motorbike. No, that is not the way to define them. They must be of manual. No. They must be of manual. No, that's not how to define them. So when we get to that very stage, we know everything about them, how they function, how to know if it is a small motorbike or not. We know, not by said they have to be manual. No. Number 3. Le biciclette con pedalata assistita dotati di motore elettrico ausiliario di potenza massimo fino a 0.25 kW sono definiti ciclomotori. So these bicycles, le biciclette con pedalata assistita, so bicycles with pedals dotati di motore elettrico that are equipped with a electric engine with the ausiliario di potenza massimo fino a 0.25 kW. So with the maximum power up to 0.25 kW is at least sono definiti na ciclomotori. So they are defined as small Okada. No, it's false. It's false. Not because they have an electric engine and they have the power of 0.25. No. They cannot be defined as ciclomotori, which is small motorbike. No, it's impossible. Because small motorbike have an engine. Why this one is an electric? Electric. There's a difference between electric and engine. So let's number 4. Il ciclomotore a 2 ruote non possono avere un motore termico di cilidrata superiore a 50 cm3. So this number 4 question say this small Okada with 2 tires, they cannot have, non possono avere un motore, so they cannot have, it's not possible for them to have an engine and a heated engine. The cilindrata superiore a 50 cm3. So with a heated engine with the cylinder above 50 cm. And it's true because their cylinder, this small motorbike, their cylinder is up to 50 cm. When they said superior, which is the cylinder can be more than 50. No, their cylinder cannot be more than 50 because their cylinder is up to 50, and that's all. Number 5. Non tutti I veicoli a motori a 2 ruote vengono classificati ciclomotori. So this number 5 question says not all the vehicles, non tutti I veicoli a motori, not all the vehicles with an engine a 2 ruote with 2 tires vengono classificati ciclomotori. So not all the vehicles with an engine with 2 tires that are classified ciclomotori. And it's true. Not all the vehicles with 2 tires, not all the vehicles with an engine that have 2 tires that are classified small motorbike. No. It's true. Not all is true. Because even the big motorbike, they have 2 tires as well. So not all. You cannot compare the small motorbike to the big motorbike. So it is truth. Not all the vehicle with an engine that have 2 tires that are classified small motorbike. No. So number 5. So don't forget the word ciclomotori are the small motorbike. So when we get to the big motorbike, you will see the name. You will see the name as well. So ciclomotori are small motorbike. So number 6. So they are called small motorbike because their velocity, they have a heated engine, a motore termico, which is a heated engine as well, and their cylinder is up to 15 cm3, and their velocity, their maximum velocity is up to 45 km/h. So this is the classification and how you differentiate them, how you will know this is small Okada. So that is the reason. That is how you will know if it is small Okada. So without that, you cannot know them. That is the only way you can know them. So I just said the main thing that you will use to differentiate them. So number 6. Si definiscono ciclomotori tutti I veicoli a 2 ruote di cilindrata superiore a 50 cm3. So this number 6 question says to define the definition of ciclomotori, to define the ciclomotori small motorbike tutti I veicoli a 2 ruote. So to define the small Okada, they are all the vehicle with 2 tires. The cilindrata superiore a 50 cm3. So with the cylinder above 50 cm, no, it's false. Their cylinder is not superior, not above 50 cm, it's up to 50. Assuming the question said fino a 50, yes, up to at least 50, not superior. Their cylinder is not superior to ciclomotori, no, it's false. Number 7. If vehicle a 2 ruote, so vehicles with 2 tires con motore termico with a heated engine fino a 50 cm3 with a heated engine with at least 50 cm3 di cilindrata with the cylinder e velocità massimo di 45 km/h sono ciclomotori. So this is the full definition of the small motorbike, the number 7. Il veicolo a 2 ruote, vehicles with 2 tires con motore termico fino a 50 cm3 di cilindrata. So with a heat up engine with the cylinder up to 50 cm3 velocità maximum, and with the maximum velocity di 45 km/h sono ciclomotori. So with the maximum velocity up to 45 km/h, they are ciclomotori, they are small motorbike, and it's very, very true. Please try to meditate on this number 7 very, very well. This is the classification. This is the classification to distinguish between the small Okada. This is how you will know that this is a small Okada, the number 7. Meditate on the number 7 very well. The number 7. So that is how you will know that this is the ciclomotori, which is small motorbike. Number 8. Number 8. I ciclomotori sono soggetti a revisione dopo 4 anni della prima immatriculation, successivamente ogni 2 anni. So this is small motorbike. They are subjected to revision after 4 years of the revision. Then later you will start the revision after every 2 years, and it's true. Yes. So the thing is that if you buy a small motorbike now, you will register it. So when you register it after 4 years, you will do the checkup of every part of the vehicle, which is the small motorbike. Then later you will start the checkup again every 2 years, and it's true. Number 9. I ciclomotore non hanno più di 2 ruote. So this number 9 said this ciclomotore, which is small motorbike, I ciclomotori non hanno più di 2 ruote. So this ciclomotori do not have more than 2 tires, and it's false. Because ciclomotori have 2 or 3 tires. They have 2 or 3 tires. So when we say non hanno più di 2 ruote, it's false because they have 3 tires as well. Say their tires are not more than 2 tires, not più di 2 ruote, which is not more than 2 tires. It's more than 2 tires because they have 3 tires as well. So number 10, i ciclomotore possono circolare alla velocità di 70 km/h fuori dai centri urbani. So this number 10 says i ciclomotori possono circolare. So the small motorbike, they can circulate alla velocità di 70 km/h. So this small motorbike, they can circulate the velocity of 60 km/h fuori dai centri abitati, outside the city. No, it's false. How can a motorbike that its velocity is up to 45 km/h, all of a sudden it will now be circulating up to 60 km/h? How possible is that? It's impossible. So it's false. Their velocity, at least the maximum velocity, is 45, and that's all. Number 11, i ciclomotori possono avere 2 or 3 ruote. Yes, very true. Very true. So this small motorbike, they can have 2 or 3 tires, and it's very true. Please guys, meditate on all these very questions so that you can know the full meaning and how to distinguish the small motorbike as well. See, so very important. You can always take your time, meditate on the video. If you know you have not understand, try to understand before you continue. Okay, please. That is why I'm doing it very slowly so that you can understand. So let's correct it and see. So as you can see, everything is clear. So guys, try to take your time. Most especially the number 7 is the full definition of the small motorbike, and it's all of them. Try to meditate on all the questions. Try to meditate on all of them. Know them very well as I explained them. Know them very well before you continue. Please. Very important, so that you will know the difference between them. Okay. Let me see the time. So I will stop here on this lesson. Next time when we meet again, on the next lesson, I will be doing lesson on a motocycle, which is the big motorbike. I've done with the small motorbike. So the next lesson now will be motocycle, which is the big motorbike. So guys, share my videos, subscribe to my channel, and see you guys next time in the next video. Thank you very much, and bye.